Hey, what's up everyone? I hope you are doing well. This is Jack from ByProgrammers.com and welcome back to a brand new episode of Let's Talk for a Bit series. Today we are going to unbox and talk about the brand new MacBook Air that we have just bought from Apple. With that being said, let's get started. A couple of weeks ago, me and my partner Vincent finally made up our mind to spend $1,700 each to buy two customized versions of MacBook Air 2020 from Apple. This beast right here features a 13-inch high-resolution Retina display, 10th generation Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB RAM as well as 1TB SSD storage. So inside the box, we have the MacBook Air itself, of course. We have one 2-meter long USB-C charge cable, user manuals, and also the USB-C power adapter. The right side of the MacBook has the 3.5mm headphone jack, whereas the other side has two USB-C ports. Now because this MacBook is using USB-C ports, chances are you need to use an adapter that looks something like this. I bought this adapter from a local store for approximately $35, which basically allows you to connect to USB-C, HDMI as well as USB. Alright, I'm not too sure if this is available in your country, but in Malaysia we can actually enjoy approximately $116 off by getting the MacBook from their education store, which is really cool. Now that we have talked about the new MacBook Air that we have just bought, I would also like to take some time to talk about my previous MacBook Air 2015 model. This bad boy right here has Intel Core i7 processor, 8GB RAM and 128GB of SSD storage. I have been using this MacBook Air 2015 model for the past 3 years. We have launched a couple of apps to the Apple App Store and I really never had any major issues until I started to venture into cross-platform mobile development, as it doesn't have enough storage space to support both Xcode and Android Studio simultaneously. To conclude this video, if you are interested in becoming a mobile developer, I would strongly recommend you to go for the same model that I bought, which is MacBook Air 2020 model with Core i7 processor and 16GB RAM. Trust me, you will not regret it. Alright, so if you have any questions or you have anything to add on, please comment down below. If you like the video, be sure to hit on the like button, share it to your friends, and also don't forget to like and follow our page or channel for more videos like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy coding. Peace.